Hey, welcome my YouTube friends to Scrapping It Up. I'm Vanessa and I want to do an album share with you guys today. I'm so excited about showing this. Oh my gosh. I I might be tooting my own horn, who knows, but I love this project. Love it. It is a ring binder album, but it has all of our mini album aspects. Plus, it's got the 12 by 12 normal scrapbooking aspect in it as well. Okay, you can pick the tutorial up over on my website. I'll put the link down below to where you can go pick this up, and it has a cutting guide, the written instructions, and the process videos that walk you through every step of the construction process. There is no decorating classes in there. Okay, you can always watch the final watch this and get your decorating ideas. Okay, now I did use the simple stories here and there collection, and I also used simple stories the essential collection as well, some pieces from it and pieces from this, so it's all put together. But it came out so beautiful. And this set has a little extra surprise that I hadn't ever done in any of my other videos. Okay. Um, so let's get started. I do use the 3D ring binders. I do use the We Are Memory Keeper ones, that they're the leather ones. Okay. This has 6 pages in it. So right off the get-go, here we go. Let me set these aside so I need to show how this works here. So we'll put this inside our ring binder. Okay, here we go. You guys ready? This pops over our rings for another element of our design. So yeah, it just pops over our rings. Ain't that neat? So this has a pocket over here, and I did use some journaling paper from a notebook that I just put in here. Okay, so this has a pocket. Then over here, this opens up, and this is going to be hard to keep on camera, so I apologize. So here you have a flip and a pocket here. Oops, I've got to take that off. Okay. So you can put a photograph and a photograph, and you have a pocket, and you have the elements of the pocket peeking out over here. Over here, you have 2 photo mats and a belly band. Okay. Ain't that sweet? And then that just fits back underneath here. And then that flips open to reveal that. So you can do a normal scrapbook layout right here. Okay. And then that all folds back up. And then that would flip, and there's the back side. So then, well, here, why not? I'll just put all the pages in here. So just a second. And I know it's not the right size binder, but that's all right. If you notice, all the back sides are scrapbooked like a normal, oh, these fell out, like a normal scrapbook album would. Okay. So like I said, it's like our mini album, but it's in a binder, but it also has a normal scrapbooking pages that we normally have as well. Okay, so let me flip back through this here. because I know a lot of you don't like to do the hinges for a mini album, but you like this idea. All right, so here you just scrapbook like normal. Yeah, on my things. All right, so this flips out. You have a pocket right here, and then you have a flip, and then you have another flip, and then you have these here that flip out. Oh, this paper with the essential pack and then the here and there collection just turned out so beautiful. Then again, normally just scrapbook on this right here. Okay. So then the next page, and I coordinated my cardstock to kind of match. See, like this one here, it matches with this one here. So then I just scrapbook this up like normal, and then I'll just put my photos there. Okay, this is page 3. So here again, I need to put it back in the middle. This one goes up over your rings. Up over your rings for added photographs. So then you have this here. So you have a pocket here. Yeah. And then a pocket here. And those just slide back in there. All right, get in there. There we go. So pretty neat. I'd never done anything like that, and this one I thought, well, we need to do something. So I come up with this idea, and then that way I think that is just pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. And I may develop more. I love doing these. I do 12 by 12 and I do 8.5 by 11. And I will link a couple of the other sets that I've showed you here on my YouTube. I have a baby album and I have a 12 by 12 Christmas one. So I'll put those down in the description for you if you would like to go check those out as well. Now they don't have this. They don't have this aspect because this is just something new I just started doing. I come up with that idea and I'm like, that is so cool. Okay, so that flips open. You have a pocket here. This flips. And this flips. And then again, scrapbook your normal 12 by 12 page right here. Ain't this awesome? Yep. Let me know what you think about this in the comments. I'd love to know what you think about this. Pretty neat. And then that just goes on top and flip it all over. So again, scrapbook area. And I tried to coordinate it a little bit. So here, let me scoot this over just a hair. So that opens up. That opens up. I'll wait for it. Here we go. There we go. Ain't that neat? So then here you have a pocket and you have a double waterfall right here. Pretty neat. And then a pocket down here that just kind of holds everything nice and tidy. Okay. And then that flips. And I haven't counted how many photos you can put in this, but I'm going to guess well over, I'm going to guess probably around 200 to 250 photos. Yeah. Quite a few photos. Quite a few photos. You know, you can put all your trips in here. But yeah, I love this where you flip it, look at it, and then boop. All right, so put it back over here. Turn the page. There's a scrapbook layout here. Okay. This is supposed to be like this. So then this opens up. This one's just plain Jane. That one is just plain Jane. Let's see how I coordinated. Oops, you can't see. Stripe and the stripe. Coordinated it. Sorry for all the wiggling of the camera. So here you have a pocket here. And you have a pocket here. This opens up. Guess what? You got a waterfall. Then that hides it. And then these keep everything nice and tidy. And then down here, I put this here, and I should not. It should have been on over here because it hinders my pocket. I wasn't thinking about that when I done that. Then this opens up. You have a pocket here. This thing might even hold 300 photographs. One of these days, I need to sit down and count. I know I did one of my other ones. It's roughly about a 12 by 12 will hold around 300, and an 8.5 by 11 will hold about 200, just depending on how many flips and flaps. And this one has a lot of flips and flaps, so it may hold 300 plus. Then you have a pocket here, and you could design, you know, something here and then slide those inside the pocket. But it makes such a beautiful album. I love this where we're flipping over. I just love that idea. So here, there's the back side of it done up, just like a normal scrapbook page would be done up. Okay, got it. So here we have a pocket. Then this flips. This flips. So beautiful. I'm really proud of this set. I mean, each set I come up with, I think, okay, this is my best one. And then I come up with another set. And this is my best set so far. The best set. The baby one I done in 12 by 12. I thought that was pretty awesome. But I think this one beats that one. So then this opens up, and then that. Then we have a belly band here. And I just done up a couple of photo mats. They just slide right underneath. And I only used the paper I had was the collection sheet. I had the collection sheet, and then of course I had the coordinating cardstock like this here that went with it. And then I think I had 20 sheets of the essential collection, something like that. Okay. And then this is the back side of that one. Beautiful, beautiful. So you'll have to let me know what you think about this in the comments. I think it's a gorgeous album. OMG. I mean, it'll hold a lot of photographs, and I really love this aspect here. So I may be doing some more pages to where we have maybe have some flips going this way, but maybe not have 6 pages, because you know this does add some bulk. Okay, so maybe only do maybe 4 pages. But yeah, this is my Travel Galore 12 by 12 interactive pages. So I hope you enjoyed this album share. I'm so happy I finally got it done to show you. Like I said, I do have other ones. They're down in the description box for you. Go check them out as well. You may even like those too. All right, until the next video, have a good rest of your day, and we'll be talking to you guys later. As always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.